Welcome to our video on hedge funds. In this 2-minute deep dive, we're going to break down what hedge funds are, how they operate, and why they're unique in the world of finance. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to discuss hedge funds with even the most seasoned experts. First, let's define what a hedge fund is. Essentially, a hedge fund is a private investment fund that pools capital from accredited investors or institutional investors and employs a variety of strategies to earn active returns for its participants. Unlike mutual funds, hedge funds are less regulated and more flexible in their investment approaches. Hedge funds are managed by portfolio managers who are usually compensated with a management fee and a performance fee. The typical fee structure is known as 2 and 20, a 2% annual management fee on assets under management and a 20% performance fee on the profits generated. This incentivizes managers to perform exceptionally well. Another distinctive characteristic of hedge funds is their use of leverage and short selling. Leverage involves borrowing money to amplify the potential return on investment. However, it also increases the risk. Short selling allows them to profit from declining asset prices by borrowing securities and selling them, hoping to buy them back later at a lower price. Hedge funds employ a variety of strategies to generate returns. These can range from long-short equity, which involves taking long positions in undervalued stocks and short positions in overvalued stocks, to global macro, which bets on broad economic trends by trading currencies, commodities, and bonds. There are also event-driven strategies that focus on corporate events like mergers, acquisitions, or bankruptcies. Because of their complexity and the risks involved, hedge funds are generally not accessible to individual retail investors. Instead, they are typically restricted to sophisticated investors who meet certain net worth requirements, often called accredited investors. In summary, hedge funds are private, actively managed investment funds that seek high returns through diverse and complex strategies. They carry higher risks, but also offer the potential for higher rewards. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.